A very good morning to the wise judges, the caring teachers, and my caring friends. The title of the story today is Mommy Duck. One lovely morning, a mommy duck was swimming on a lake. It was an amazing sight. Why? Because there were 17 ducklings swimming behind her. What? 17? Are you sure? How could it be? And so, many people gathered to watch this amazing phenomenon. Some took videos and posted the videos in Facebook. It went viral. Everyone was talking about this remarkable mommy duck and posting it for Mother's Day. One day, the videos caught an eye of Mr. Hafiz. He was the owner of a duck rice shop. He also had a duck farm and sold duck's eggs. 17 ducklings. What a productive mommy duck. How good if she were mine. Imagine how many eggs she would lay for me. Money, money, money. Mommy duck, you will be my money machine. One night, Mr. Hafiz went to the lake. He crept carefully. The ducklings saw him holding a net. They made a lot of noise. Quack, 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 quack. Will you success in chasing him away? Oh no! He threw the net over Mommy Duck. He dragged her away. She cried, "No, no! I can't leave my duckling. Who will feed them? Help me, help me!" She cried, but no one could save her. Mr. Hafiz brought Mommy Duck back to his duck farm and kept her in a large cage, large enough for plenty of eggs. He gave her a lot of food, hoping she would produce more eggs. But Mommy Duck refused to eat. She went on a hunger strike. She snapped at him angrily. "Help me, help me!" she cried, but no one was there to help her. Poor Mommy Duck, poor ducklings. And then, one night, Mr. Hafiz had a nightmare. There was a group of zombie ducks moving towards him. Ha 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 ha. Mommy Duck, Mommy Duck, Mommy Duck. Ha 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 ha. Let her go, or else we're coming for you. He walked with a start, cold sweat. What was that? Zombie ducks? They are after me, because I have stolen Mommy Duck. He was pale with fear. He knew it was a bad omen. He must let Mommy Duck go back to her lake. So, the next day, he took her back. He let her go. She swam away happily. Soon, ducklings from all over the lake swam towards her. And once again, the amazing Mommy Duck was swimming with 17 ducklings, swimming behind her. Ladies and gentlemen, we must respect nature. Let animals be free to inspire us. I dedicate this story to our remarkable loving mothers. Thank you.